beauty people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. If you read from the title, we are going to have some giveaways. So this was mine. I'm actually wearing on my eyes today, and I was able to cop the big one and the small one for a giveaway. So do you want to win these two? Then just stay watching. All right. Let me tell you, my God, the day of launch. I am sure you heard this from everybody. By the way, I'm wearing the big controversy palette on my eyes today. But let me tell you the reason why first that I want to do this giveaway. So if you don't know, October 1st, my 19-year-old daughter had open heart and lung surgery due to blood clots. She also had blood clots down her right arm as well. So everything was fine. She made it through the surgery. She came home. A week later, her groin area where they put like this needle in when they do open heart surgery that goes all the way down to your blood vessels, opened up and got infected, and that literally almost killed her. So she had to go back and get admitted and get surgery and get this machine put in her. It's called a sponge vac to drain and all this kind of stuff. She was in there for over a week for that to get the infection out. So let's just say October was not a good month. And I had so many of you reach out and send me prayers and then send cards for my daughter. And that I always would go to the P.O. box and come back because she would say, "Mommy, did I get any cards today?" And she would light up when I would show her. Like I would have 10 and 15 at a time. And I cannot tell you that smile on my baby girl's face, what that did to me, what you guys did for me. She would read the prayers, the well wishes you sent to her. And I'm telling you, that is one of the reasons that made me through it. So I had to do something nice for you guys. So I was literally going to go to the Morphe store that day. I don't have a Morphe store near me. I live in New Jersey. The closest Morphe store was King of Prussia Mall in PA. Pennsylvania. And so a few of us YouTubers, Negs, NICOLEKRISTINE, I think is her YouTube name. I will leave all of them down below. Negs actually did a little, he's doing a giveaway as well. So I'll leave it down below. But we were all going to meet up. And then I found out we had to leave between 4 and 4:30 in the morning. And I'm like, I don't know. But then my daughter also had a complication that I had to take her to the doctors. So I could not. So 1 o'clock Eastern time is when these came for sale in Beautylish. And I was literally on the site at like 12:58. And it kind of went live around there. And I was able to grab both of us. I had to. If I could have only grabbed one of these, I would have gave away to you guys. I just want to give thanks for how you guys blessed me last month in the time of need, of the worst month of my whole 43 years of living. So I'm not going to do a get ready with this or a first impressions because I know there's so many videos out there like that I want to try both palettes and almost all the shades, do wear time test, and that way I can give a full review instead of more of a first impressions. But what I can tell you so far, I just tried this palette. I have it on my eyes today. Some of the shades have a lot of fallout, some don't, some are really great, some not so much, but I do really like this palette. So let me show you what mine looks like so I don't have to open up yours. Then we will go over the rules. I will let you know when the giveaway ends and the whole 9, and that's it. And so make sure that you're subscribed and you have that notification bell turned on so you can see when I give my full review, because now it will not be back up for sale until 2020, Jeffree Star said. All right, so this is the Conspiracy palette. And you just slide it out. Here's the packaging. And then like that. So this is like, you know, paper. But this is gorgeous. I think this is prettier than the Blood Sugar palette and the Blue Blood. I really, really do. That's just gorgeous. And also, it's easier to open than the Blood Sugar. I don't have the Blue Blood, but I mean, one of my friends has it when I looked at it. So you have a big mirror, and these, my friend, are all the shades. So pretty. Let's see. I don't want to... Let's see what I can do. There we go. That way I don't blind you. I mean, it's just gorgeous. So pretty. So that's what that looks like. When I do my review, I will do all the swatches and everything else. All right, so we have that. And then you have the mini Controversy palette. And this is actually a thicker cardboard than the Conspiracy. So that's what that looks like. The packaging is just gorgeous. Has a nice mirror. And then that's what that looks like. Now, as far as colors, I'm definitely drawn to these than this palette. And I haven't tried these. I haven't even swatched this. So I can't tell you anything about any fallout or anything like that. But it is a very pretty palette. So that's what I am giving away. So we are going to have 2 winners. The first prize, I do a comment picker. So the first prize will have the big palette, and the second winner will have the small palette. Unless the first person says they don't want this, they want that one. They have first choice, okay? This giveaway will end. I will leave right here because I don't have my calendar in front of me. So make sure you look right here when it will end. The only thing that you guys have to do is be subscribed. That's it. You have to rate the video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. I prefer that you thumbs it up, but if you don't like giveaways, then thumbs it down. And make sure that you leave a comment. I go by a comment picker, so if you want to comment once, 5, 10, 50, 100 times, it doesn't matter. The more that you comment, the better chances you have on winning. So try to comment more than once. Just don't do emojis, just emojis, because for some reason it's going to spam. So that's it. That's all that you guys have to do. I just want to give back to you. I want to thank you guys for being so loving to me. I want to show the love right back, and why not do a giveaway? Yep, so that's everything. Oh, and watch this video in full, because the longer that you watch my videos, it will help me out with the shipping cost, because this is Open Up International. The last person who won one of my giveaways lives in Malaysia. So, I mean, it does help me out with shipping. And that's everything, guys. I really, truly love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.